Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and tapping the map icon to access Snap Map. Once the map loads, locate the friend's Bitmoji or name, that's the target. If you don't see them, make sure they shared recently or that your internet is on. Otherwise, try pulling down to refresh. Once located, tap their icon to open the profile card, because the sharing controls you need are inside that friend's location options. Now that the friend's profile card is open, look for the location sharing option labeled See My Location or the three-dot menu. Tap it. You can choose Ghost Mode to hide your location from everyone, or select the specific friend and turn off sharing for them alone. Once done, Snapchat updates immediately. Make sure to confirm the change by checking that their access indicator is gone. If you want to be precise, use the Manage Friends list to double-check individual permissions. Finish by refreshing Snap Map to confirm your location is no longer visible to that person. You should not see their access marker. If the change doesn't stick, force close Snapchat and reopen it, or toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data to prompt a sync. Make sure Snapchat has location permissions in your device settings. If problems persist, check whether you've blocked the friend or vice versa, because blocking alters visibility differently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.